Okay, here's an update on the 6-inch riser batch box rocket heater. I made a little more progress. So what I've done here, the base is wood. It's just a movable. Basically, I built a pallet so that I could move this thing out of the shop when I'm not using it. And then the inside is fire brick. And I use you can get online and get the dimensions. This one, I tried to use the dimensions given. Peter Vandenberg, you could look his name up and you'll find the dimensions for every size flue or whatever. This one is for a 6-inch flue. So the fire brick, these ones I just stood up on end to try to make a radius that matched my 6-inch flue. The flue, I took a 6-inch liner, just thin wall chimney line or chimney flue, and put it inside of an 8-inch. And then I used just fire clay and perlite 1-to-1 ratio by volume, and got that wet and tamped it down in between the 6 and 8-inch layer. I know the 6-inch will burn out, but I'm fine with that. This in between these, I'm gonna pack more. Actually, I'm gonna use kitty litter clay. Kitty litter is clay, so I'm gonna use that mixed with perlite and pack that into here, just to give these a little more stability and insulation. Around the firebox, this is just brick. I used, this isn't regular mortar. This is a mixture of clay, fire clay, and sand, holding these together. Then in between here, this void, I'm gonna use a mixture of the kitty litter and perlite to seal, fill this gap and insulate. I want this to be insulated well. And then I'll leave from here around, I'll leave open. And so the heat, once it comes out of here, hits the 50-gallon drum and comes back down, it'll flow out this chimney pipe. And I've made it so I can put it into a bench if I ever want to. But for now, this is where we're at. It's coming away. This is my secondary air that will feed in here. The door will go on here. There's the feed. And there'll be another hole on the bottom of the door for the air to feed the fire. This one's feeding the puts secondary air right in front of the burn chamber up in there. I don't know if you can see it at the back. That pipe's coming down right before the chamber that goes into the chimney. Still have to build the door, and I got quite a ways to go, but I am making this into a boiler, and the plan is to put a 30-gallon barrel inside of a 55-gallon barrel, weld that watertight. I'll have outlets so it doesn't build pressure, but weld that up and make it a water jacket. And the only boilers I've seen on rocket stoves are just people putting coils of pipe down in the chimney or in the barrel. I want the whole barrel to try. My mass is hopefully going to be water because it holds heat better. If anybody knows why I haven't been able to find one of those online anywhere that anybody's done, or something similar that's actually a true boiler, not just coil pipe stuck in there, put in the comments why you haven't done it, or if you did it and it failed. Help me out here, guys. Thanks.